Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into the future of transportation, luxury electric vehicles for 2024. Buckle up, because we're about to explore the cutting-edge designs, unparalleled performance, and sustainable innovation that are redefining the automotive landscape. For decades, luxury cars have been synonymous with power, prestige, and a touch of extravagance, but the times, they are changing. Consumers are increasingly seeking not just a luxurious driving experience, but also an environmentally conscious one. Enter the electric vehicle revolution, making its way into the opulent world of luxury automobiles. These 2024 EVs aren't just about saving the planet, they're about pure aesthetic indulgence. Imagine sleek, aerodynamic curves that cut through the wind with a futuristic elegance. We're talking panoramic sunroofs bathing the interior in natural light, and handcrafted sustainable materials that redefine luxury. Every detail, from the flush door handles to the adaptive LED lighting, is meticulously crafted to make a statement. But don't be fooled by the beauty. Those EVs pack a serious punch. We're talking about mind-blowing acceleration that will leave you speechless. Instant torque delivery gives you a surge of power the moment you press the pedal, pinning you back in your plush, vegan leather seats. And let's not forget about handling that rivals the best sports cars. Imagine carving through corners with precision and control, all while emitting nothing but a whisper quiet hum. The 2024 luxury EV goes beyond just replacing a gas engine with an electric motor. These machines are rolling testaments to human ingenuity. Imagine solar panels integrated into the roof, extending your driving range. Think about advanced battery packs that recharge in minutes, not hours. These EVs are pushing the boundaries of technology, ensuring a sustainable and guilt-free driving experience. The 2024 luxury EV isn't just a car, it's a statement. It's a statement about your commitment to the environment, about your appreciation for cutting-edge technology, and about your desire for an unparalleled driving experience. It's a glimpse into the future of transportation, a future that is electric, luxurious, and sustainable. Thanks for joining me on this exploration of the 2024 luxury EV revolution. If you're interested in learning more about specific models or the latest EV technology, leave a comment below and let me know. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting content on the future of transportation. Until next time, drive safe.